Alright, so when drawing the Venn diagram to compare the prokaryotic versus the eukaryotic cells, let's first talk about how they're both similar. Both contain DNA, both contain a cell membrane, both contain ribosomes to make proteins, both have a cytoplasm, right? As all cells do. Prokaryotic cells were the first, they're the oldest. They evolved first. Eukaryotic cells, they evolved from prokaryotic cells, right? Evolved many, many hundreds of millions of years later. Over 1 billion years later. These are small and simple. These are much larger and complex. Prokaryo literally means before nucleus, so these guys lack a nucleus. So these guys contain a nucleus, obviously, where their DNA is stored. These lack membrane-bound organelles, like the Golgi apparatus, the rough and smooth ER. These contain membrane-bound organelles. These guys are single-celled. Now, eukaryotic cells can be single-celled, like amoebas or paramecium and all protozoa. But they can also be multicellular. So you and I are composed of eukaryotic cells. They have a single circular chromosome, whereas eukaryotic cells, they contain kind of straight or linear chromosomes, many of them. Okay, so prokaryotic cells, when you think of them, think of like bacteria. Eukaryotic cells, think of plants, animals, fungi, and protists. So there you go.